Good morning guys and welcome to the channel. So as you can see, it is now raining. It's not so hard, it's light, but later on it will pick up. So right now the first thing we have to do is set up a tarp right here so we can have some protection and we can have a coffee and maybe talk a little bit. Okay, let's get into this work and let's gonna set up the tarp. Okay guys, now we have some good protection from the rain and we can set up our chair and prepare some coffee. Sorry guys if I didn't record the setting up process of the tarp, but it was raining a little bit harder than before and I didn't want to let the camera soaking wet, so sorry for that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how I set up this tarp. It's a basic hay shape, but it's giving me some really good protection from the rain. Okay, now that we are safe and dry, it's coffee time. I'm gonna change my clothes, put the rain jacket away and put on some puffy jacket. So you didn't see that before because the camera was off, but on top of the backpack I had ready to go the tarp and the stakes over here. So that was my first gear, or my last gear I put on the backpack, so just in case, like now, I had the chance to set up the tarp real quick without digging inside my backpack to find the right item. Okay, let's take the chair and let's change clothes. Okay guys, now that we are nice and dry, we can have a coffee. Cheers, guys. Wow. You know what, guys, I really do love to go outside during rainy days because first you have almost no chance to find anyone in the woods, so you are on your own, and that's a thing that I really love. Second, you can't imagine how beautiful the color right now are. The rain makes all those green really shine, and it's something, you know, it's just the woods, but there is really something special in this forest. Coffee's almost over. I tell you what, I'm going to finish this coffee and then I'm gonna pack up all my stuff and I'm gonna come back home. But before, there is a area over there I wanna explore. It's quite interesting, I guess. So if you like the content I'm doing, please like and subscribe.